Good morning, traders. Jefferson Fossey here with Walsh Trading. It's about 5 minutes to 8 here. It is November 11th. Happy Veterans Day, everyone. And a special thank you to all the veterans who have served. We do appreciate that. Thank you so much for that. Please keep in mind futures trading does involve substantial amounts of risk, certainly not suitable for all investors, traders, or producers. Let's take a look at the markets here, see what happened here yesterday, what may have happened overnight. And what might happen here today, starting off with December live cattle. Huge, large bullish engulfment here yesterday. Fats for December finished up 725. All the other contract for months for cattle finished limit up 725 higher here, 227 in February. Everything had a big bullish engulfment. Nice bullish recovery here in the cattle markets. Same thing here with feeders. This is November. It's not really it's the front calendar month, but it's not the most actively traded. January is. That was up to limit 925. Holding that 50% retracement in feeders and bouncing off that 38% retracement here in fats, getting back up above that here. I think yesterday's trade was particularly bullish, although today's Tuesday, so I don't know, expect things to go lower because turnaround Tuesday or reasons. Hogs were also stronger here yesterday, up 337, 82.77. Had kind of a little bit of an equilibrium day here on Friday. Did not trade lower at all yesterday, just worked their way up all session. Very strong move there. Hogs took out about 2 weeks worth of trade here. Got to go back to Friday, October 24th. Or Thursday the 23rd, depending on how you want to look at it. But very strong close for all the livestock markets here yesterday. I think they all kind of want to go up, but today's Tuesday, might see things start off just a touch weaker. Corn also posted a big bullish engulfment here yesterday, coincidentally on the day that my short-term averages flipped over to the sell side. Finished yesterday up 2.5 cents, 429.75. It's down a penny here in the overnight session, 428.75. Short-term averages, they are on the sell side, 5 and 10. They are giving a little bit of resistance. Stochastics trending back toward mid-range. And the MAC also turning red here the last couple of sessions. Market seems to be consolidating here over the past 2 weeks or so, right in this price range. It's going to make another run up, I think, try to get through that 200-day moving average. I don't know if it's going to do it today, but that's resistance levels here at 436. Same kind of picture here for March. January soybeans, nice day up yesterday, 13 cents higher at $11.30 a bushel. Here in the overnight market, they finished down, 6.5 cents to 11.23.5. 2 nice days up here, Friday and Monday here to start off this week, but we're still within Thursday's big fat red trading range. Have not yet been able to break out of that. We are up above the 5-day moving average. That's going to give you a little bit of support here right around 11.22.5. I do like most of the grain markets here from the long side. I just think you got to buy them judiciously on dips here. Same thing with soy meal. It's down 370 here in the overnight session today. Yesterday it gained about 290 and $4.40 higher here on Friday. Still trading within Thursday's range. Soy meal is back underneath the 5 and 10-day moving averages. Those are up above the market, giving us resistance here right around 317.5 and 318.20. Soy meal is the market here in the grain and soy complex that's moved the most, the fastest, and the highest here in the shortest period of time. This is one definitely in need of a retracement here. Still like meal from the long side, but think it's probably better served buying it on a dip. Do like that the 50 and the 100-day moving average is making a bullish crossover here late last week, Friday, into yesterday's trade here as well. Kind of supports the long-term bullish trend shift, to my estimation anyway. December soybean oil here, up 28 this morning. Yesterday it gained 90 cents. Short-term averages, that's a new signal there if you can see it under there. 5 and 10-day moving averages did cross over to the buy side. 200-day moving averages held as support after being tested for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, including yesterday. Bouncing up away from that here, and we're up above the 50-day moving average here as well. Perhaps if soy meal does start to turn a little bit lower, could see the bean oil prices tend to rally up a little bit. There's going to be some trend line resistance. This is the channel they've kind of been trading in here for the past 3-4 months. Also got some 100-day average resistance up at 52.27 here in Christmas bean oil. Chicago wheat. Nice little update here yesterday, gained about 8 cents, got just above that 100-day moving average, but 5-10-day moving average is about ready to roll over to the sell side here on my chart. Wheat is down 2 3/4 here this morning, trading 5.33, back underneath that 100-day moving average. That 38% retracement, 5.31, that held as support here Friday and Monday. But I think they're out to retest it here again today. The wheat market just can't really get out of its own way. Seems like every time it rallies up like it did here in the middle of June, and like it's doing right now, you just get more selling pressure coming after it. Same thing with KC wheat. Nice little rally here yesterday, up 7 3/4, but this morning we're down 5 1/4, 5.21 3/4 is where December KC wheat is at. That's below the 5, the 10, and also below that 100-day moving average here as well. 50-day might give us some support here at 5.06 3/4. There still is a small gap that needs to be filled here that we left from Friday, October 24th to Monday the 27th. Other markets that I've got new signals in here today. Cocoa market's down 100, flipping over to the sell side. 5 and 10-day moving average is making a bearish crossover. This market's gotten a little bit whipsawy. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4 trading signals here over the last 3 weeks, give or take a little bit. Market's getting a little choppy, a little bit whipsawy. 50-day moving resistance is held, but we have been making higher highs and higher lows here as we've been turning up. But the short-term averages are flipping toward the sell side. Also have a new trade signal here today in the U.S. dollar. Dollar index is down 28, trading at the lowest level it's been here. Got to go back to October 31st, day before Halloween. 200-day moving average is kind of held as resistance here over the past week to 10 days or so. 5-10-day hooking over to the bearish side. With today's trade, you had an equilibrium day of doji yesterday. Close enough for government work, just one tick apart, I believe. And if you get this lower close here today, that could confirm a little bit of weakness here in the dollar. Other markets that are moving around real quick here. Gold's up another 27, 28 bucks today after gaining 112 here yesterday. Short-term averages turned bullish in gold yesterday. I told you about that here in this time in this space yesterday. Silver market was up 2.17, a big rally, and now today we're up another 72, 73 cents or so, getting right back into that big day down where we were down 368 here on October 21st. I think that's somewhat supportive, and I do like gold and silver from the long side. Trying to keep it short here today, folks. I'm about a half an hour behind schedule thanks to the fine folks at Metra and the UP Northwest train line here today, just deleting one of the trains altogether. Really do appreciate that, and getting in a half an hour late. If you guys need me to cover any different markets, want me to watch anything else here for you, or comment anything on specifically that's important to you, please reach out. Let me know. I can help. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's grow the word and get this out to folks. Talk to you guys tomorrow.